Student assignments are usually created inside content folders or learning modules. The process is the same for both. We will be adding an assignment to a content folder in our course. There are a lot of decisions to make when you create an assignment in Blackboard, so let's get started. We're now inside our course. First, we'll select the content area, and then the folder that will contain the assignment. Next, we'll select Assessments and then Assignment. We are now in the Create Assignment page where we will be setting the parameters for our assignment. First, we'll name it and provide some instructions. Instructions are not required. The Assignment Files area allows us to attach a file from our computer or content collection. Since we're not attaching any files, we'll move on. The next section allows us to set a due date. Let's select the date. In the grading section, we can set the number of points allowed for our assignment. Our assignment is worth 10 points. We could have entered a grade of 0 if we did not want to grade the assignment. We're also given the option to include a rubric. Next, we can set the submission details. We'll leave our assignment as an individual assignment, allowing the student a single attempt. The Grading Options section allows us to enable anonymous grading and/or allow another instructor to grade the assignment. We'll accept the defaults and do neither. Now we can set how the grades are displayed. Let's accept the defaults to display the numerical grade, include the grades in the Grade Center grading calculations, and show it in the My Grades area. We'll also show statistics to allow students to see the mean and median scores for the assignment. The Availability section allows us to set when the assignment will appear in the student view. We want our students to view the assignment immediately, so we'll make it available. We'll accept the default for Display After, which is blank. We'll make the Display Until date the same as our due date. This will prevent students from submitting any late work, as the link will not be visible after that date. We could have allowed for late submissions by leaving the Display Until date blank. Blackboard would then mark as late any work submitted after the due date. You need to remember that choosing a Display Until date can override the due date, so be careful when you make your settings here. The last thing we need to do is decide if we want to track the number of views. Selecting this option will let us know how many times the assignment is viewed, when it is viewed, and by whom. Let's leave the defaults. Finally, we'll submit our assignment. We're done. Thank you for watching this video.